Before we go on, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now.
Inside Audi Factory, the secret engineering behind German perfection. What if I told you that somewhere in Germany, there exists a place where machines think, robots build, and humans chase perfection every single second? A place where raw metal is transformed into one of the most precise machines on Earth. This is not science fiction. This is reality. Welcome to the world of Audi. Part 1. Full cinematic, long. Everything begins long before a car even exists. Before design, before assembly, before movement, there is only raw material. Cold, lifeless sheets of aluminum and steel arrive at the factory in massive coils, each weighing several tons. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Not every metal is accepted. Each batch is tested with extreme scrutiny. Microscopic imperfections are detected using advanced scanning systems. If the structure of the metal is even slightly inconsistent, it is rejected immediately, because inside this factory, perfection doesn't start at the end, it starts at the very beginning. Once approved, these massive coils are unrolled and fed into one of the most powerful sections of the entire facility, the press shop. This is where silence disappears, where calm turns into controlled violence. Gigantic stamping machines, some of the largest ever built, begin their relentless work. With thousands of tons of pressure, they slam down onto flat metal sheets, reshaping them in a fraction of a second. The sound is thunderous. Each impact echoes through the building like a controlled explosion. But behind this raw power lies incredible precision. Every single press is calibrated to perfection. The angle, the force, the timing, everything must align perfectly, because a difference of even half a millimeter can affect how the car performs at high speed. Aerodynamics, safety, structural integrity, everything depends on accuracy at this stage. Within seconds, a flat sheet becomes something recognizable. A door panel, a roof frame, a hood. Individually, they seem insignificant, but together they are the foundation of something much greater. As these components move forward, they enter a space that feels less like a factory and more like a futuristic laboratory. Here, machines dominate. Hundreds of robotic arms are positioned across the production line, each programmed with absolute precision. They don't hesitate. They don't slow down. They don't make random decisions. Every movement is intentional. Every motion is calculated. The moment a panel arrives, multiple robots engage simultaneously. Some hold it in place, others begin welding. Another rotates the structure for perfect alignment. Sparks burst into the air like fireworks. Bright flashes illuminate the metallic structure as thousands of weld points are created in seconds. To an outsider, it looks chaotic, but in reality, this is one of the most synchronized systems ever designed. Every robot communicates with the others. Every action is timed down to milliseconds. If one robot stops, even for a fraction of a second, the entire line adjusts instantly. This is not just automation, this is intelligent coordination. Slowly, piece by piece, the structure grows. What was once separate panels now begins to resemble a skeleton. The body of the car is forming. But here's something important. Even in this world of machines, humans are still essential. Engineers walk alongside the production lines, monitoring systems in real time. They analyze data, adjust parameters, and ensure everything runs flawlessly. Highly trained technicians inspect critical points manually, areas where human intuition still surpasses machine logic. Because no matter how advanced technology becomes, perfection still needs a human touch. At this stage, quality control becomes even more intense. Laser measurement systems scan the entire structure. Thousands of data points are collected in seconds, angles are measured, gaps are analyzed, alignment is verified. If anything is even slightly off, the process stops immediately. There are no shortcuts, no compromises. Inside this factory, a single flaw is unacceptable, because once the car leaves this stage, fixing structural errors becomes almost impossible, so everything must be perfect. Right now, behind all of this, an invisible system is constantly working. Data. Every machine, every robot, every movement generates information. This data is analyzed in real time by advanced software systems. Patterns are detected, irregularities are predicted, failures are prevented before they even happen. This is where manufacturing becomes something more, something smarter, something almost alive. The factory learns, it adapts, it improves itself continuously, and as the structure moves forward, something incredible becomes clear. What started as raw, lifeless metal has transformed into something meaningful, a defined shape. Part 2. The soul of precision. The structure is complete. A perfectly engineered body stands ready, strong, aligned, flawless. But right now, it's still just a shell. No color, no life, no identity. That is about to change. As the body moves forward, it enters one of the most controlled environments in the entire factory, an area so clean that even a single dust particle is considered a threat. This is where transformation becomes visible. Layer by layer, the car is prepared for one of the most delicate processes in automotive manufacturing. First comes treatment. The entire body is cleaned, sealed, and protected against corrosion. Invisible coatings are applied to ensure that years from now, the metal underneath will remain untouched by rust or decay. Because Audi isn't building cars for today, it's building them for the future. Then comes the moment where science meets art, paint. But this isn't just about adding color, this is about creating identity. Robotic arms glide around the car with perfect fluid motion, spraying microscopic layers with absolute consistency. Every angle is calculated, every curve is covered evenly. No streaks, no uneven surfaces, no imperfections. The environment is so controlled that temperature, humidity, and air pressure are constantly monitored, because even the slightest variation can ruin everything. Layer after layer builds depth. First the base, then the color, then the protective clear coat that gives the car its signature shine. And when the process is complete, the transformation is undeniable. What was once raw metal now reflects light with brilliance. Now it looks alive. But appearance alone is not enough, because what truly defines a car is what lies beneath. Deep inside another section of the factory, something far more critical is taking shape: the heart. This is where power is created, where performance is born. Unlike the robotic precision of earlier stages, this part of the process brings humans back to the center. Highly skilled technicians assemble engines piece by piece, every component placed with intention, every connection checked and rechecked, every bolt tightened with exact torque. There is no guesswork, no approximation. Because inside this machine, precision determines everything: how it accelerates, how it responds, how it performs under pressure. For electric models, the process shifts, but the philosophy remains the same. Battery systems are assembled with extreme care, power units are tested under strict conditions, software is integrated seamlessly with hardware. Because in modern engineering, intelligence is just as important as mechanics. Slowly, the heart becomes complete, ready to be united with the body that was built before it. And then comes one of the most satisfying moments in the entire process: the marriage, the point where the body and the powertrain finally come together. Massive systems lift the structure with precision. The engine, suspension, and drivetrain rise into position, and in a perfectly synchronized motion, they become one. In seconds, two separate worlds merge into a single machine. Now it's no longer just a structure, it's becoming a car. From here, the transformation turns inward. The interior begins to take shape. This is where engineering meets human experience. Seats are installed with exact alignment. Dashboards are fitted seamlessly into place. Digital displays, controls, and systems are connected. Every wire, every connector, every component has a purpose. But what truly defines this stage is detail. The stitching on the seats, the texture of the materials, the resistance of every button. Everything is designed to feel perfect, because luxury is not just something you see, it's something you feel, something you experience every time you sit inside. At this point, the car is almost complete, but almost is not enough. Not here. Before it earns the name Audi, it must go through one final challenge: testing. And this is where everything is pushed to the limit. The car is exposed to simulated rainstorms to ensure perfect sealing. High-pressure water jets attack every angle, searching for even the smallest leak. Inside, sensors monitor every possible entry point. If even a drop gets through, it fails. Braking systems are tested repeatedly, from high speed to sudden stops, again and again and again, because reliability is not proven once, it's proven every time. The vehicle is then driven on test tracks designed to simulate real-world conditions: rough roads, sharp turns, uneven surfaces. Every sound is analyzed, every vibration is measured, because even the smallest noise, something most people would never notice, can be unacceptable. This is the level of obsession, not perfection for show, perfection for reality. And finally, after passing every test, after meeting every standard, after proving itself in